in southeastern Wyoming today visiting our high-yield barn kit. And as you can see, it looks just like a barn structure. It's perfect for farming environments and for local permitting departments, anything like that, where you're more concerned about the aesthetic and you don't want a commercial building on your property. It's a great option for agricultural or residential clients at Ceres who are looking for a growing space and a space for storage or multi-purpose space.
One of the unique aspects of the high-yield barn kit is the flexibility of this inside fully insulated space. The client in this particular case is using this for storage of some of his yard and farm materials, but this can be anything that you want. This is a smart building that has a traditional look that whether you're on vacation or you're at home, you can control it all while keeping that rural style.